What's up, YouTube? So I'm back with another video. So today I'll be cleaning on these Adidas CF Racers. That's some nice shoes too. I'm gonna clean that. Yeah, clean. Then the bottom, try to get that bottom better. See, I done these. I gotta find something for the bottom. But overall I like the way these turned out. So I'll be working on these and some classics, man. The Vans, old school, off the wall. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, y'all. I got my stuff. I'm cleaning this white part right now. I don't think it'll mess up this black or brown part on the shoe. Now I'm trying to get this bottom with it. Then I'm gonna get this real nice. Hey, while y'all got this time, go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So y'all check them out. See how they turned out. Turned out pretty doggone nice. See the bottom? I ain't get to get it. It's good. But it looks way better than it did. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. The bottom. Got them looking real nice. Look at that. Alright, y'all, that's the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And it's just the beginning. We out.